Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing of tax consultancy. So let's take an example that you are a tax consultancy owner. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running Facebook lead ads on that page. So whenever someone clicks on those ads, a Facebook lead ad form will get open. Now you want that whenever that Facebook lead ad form is filled, your tax consultancy brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of the customers from your Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your tax consultancy brochure and send it to the customers. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of leads or customers in a single day. So how you are going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is submitted, automatically the tax consultancy brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Facebook and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Facebook page, that is 𝑡ax_𝑙𝑎w. This is the Facebook lead ad form. I have given the same name, that is 𝑡ax_𝑙𝑎w form. And this is the form actually looks like. And this is the tax consultancy brochure which I have saved into my Google Drive, and this is the WhatsApp number of a customer. So now I want that whenever this particular form is filled, automatically the brochure which I have saved into my Google Drive, it should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. So let us fill this form first. I'll just give the name as Adam Smith, and let's give the phone number over here. And I'll just give the email address as adamsmith23@gmail.com. Okay, and now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let's check the WhatsApp whether this particular customer has received any message or not. And here we can see a message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in tax law bar. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our tax consultancy. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. Website address is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, Tax Law Bar. Okay. So here you can see a message is displayed on the WhatsApp number. Now let us check this link also. What is there inside this link? So I can see a PDF file, tax law bar brochure. Okay, so the tax consultancy brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled this particular form and automatically the brochure which was saved into my Google Drive, it is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here along with a message. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So let me show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ad forms, the same data will be used and your tax consultancy brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customers. And here we are going to use 360 dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you're the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as use WhatsApp for marketing of tax consultancy. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. And now let's click on create. So now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your tax consultancy brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead and let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. Okay, and now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect. So before creating a connection, please log into your Facebook account. So as I have already logged into my account, it is showing as connected. Now here we have to select the page which we have created on the Facebook account and the lead generation form which we have attached on that particular page. So I'll take you to the Facebook page. The tax law bar is the name of the Facebook page which I have created. Okay, and the Facebook lead ad form is also the same, that is tax law bar. And I'll go to Pabbly Connect and here I have to select tax law bar. Now here we can see the lead generation form is automatically captured because I have created just one form in this particular page. If you have created multiple forms, so from the drop down you can select the page whatever you want. You can select the form whatever you want. So I'll just select this one. And now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to go to this form and we have to create an entry on the name of some customer, just because by clicking on this option save and send test request, it is going to capture the recent response. So I'll just go to the form and here we have to just create an entry on the name of some customer. Let's give the name as 𝗪𝗍𝗪𝗏. Give the phone number here. Okay, and let's give the email address as 𝗪𝗍𝗪𝗏25@gmail.com and let's click on next and submit. Okay, thanks, you're all set. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and now let us click on save and send test request. And now here we can see the responses received and the full name, that is 𝗪𝗍𝗪𝗏, her phone number and the email address is captured over here. Now we want to send the tax consultancy brochure to this particular customer on this WhatsApp number. So let's come to the action window and here let us select the application name as 360 Dialog. In the action event, let us select send template message. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. Okay, so first we have to go to 360 Dialog account and then we will be moving to WhatsApp account page. So I'll take you to my 360 Dialog account over here. This is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts and here we can find generate API key option. Simply click on generate API key, generate the key, copy that key, go to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Okay, now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and various different workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. Now domain, let us read the instructions for domain also. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. Example is given. So we have to simply copy this example and we have to paste it over here. Now once our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. After pasting the API key and domain name, click on Save. As I already have a connection with my already generated API key, so I'll just click on this Choose Existing Connection and I'll click on Save. And now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved from Facebook, and once the template is approved, then only using that template the messages can be sent on the WhatsApp number. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. For that, I'll just take you to my 360 dialog account once again, and here we can find Manage Templates option. Click on this. So I have created several templates here and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign, click on Add Template. Here you can give the template name. From here you can select the category as per your requirement. There are various categories available here. You can select the language of your choice from here. You can select the template type from here. And here you can give the body text or the template message, whatever you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then click on Preview and Submit. And then it will be going for the approval, and once this particular template is approved, you can use it for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So now let us just close this window, and here I'll select the template which I have already created and got it approved, that is Send Brochure Final. I'll open this template and show it to you. So here I have given some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in curly braces. So you might be thinking why I have kept these numbers in the curly braces. Just because these numbers are the body fields and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. So let us read the template first. Hello, here we want the name of the customer. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your organization name is going to come, your firm name. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our tax consultancy. You can give. Link can be mentioned over here. The brochure link or your flyer link can be pasted over here. For more details, you can visit our website. You can mention the website address over here. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here again your organization name is going to come. So let us use this template, Send Brochure Final in Pabbly Connect. So I'll be just selecting the template, Send Brochure Final. Now here the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now come to recipient mobile number. So the recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the message. So we have got the details of the customer from our Facebook lead ad forms. The mobile number is this and the customer name is 𝗖𝗪𝗧. So let us map these details. So I'll just map the mobile number from Facebook lead ads, and this was the phone number. Okay. Now body field 1, example Heather Ali. In our template, body field 1 is required as the name of the customer. So let's go to Pabbly Connect, and here let us select the name as 𝗖𝗪𝗧. Now body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template, thank you for showing your interest in. Here your organization name is going to come, your firm name. So that is Tax Law Bar. Okay, this was the page which we have created on the name of the organization. The page is getting loaded. Okay, Tax Law Bar. So let us just type Tax Law Bar over here. Tax Law Bar. Okay. Now here body field 3 in template. Meanwhile you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our tax consultancy we can give. So I'll just type tax consultancy. Okay. Now body field 4, a link is required. Here in the template also, link of the brochure is required. So I have pasted the brochure in my Google Drive over here. This is the Google Drive where I have tax law bar folder, and here I have pasted the brochure. I'll simply make a right click over here. I'll click on share option, and here I can find get link option. So I'll simply click on copy link. The link will be copied to clipboard. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and here we will be pasting the template. Okay. Sorry, we will be pasting the URL of the template. Okay. Now body field 5 example is given a website address. Here in the template also we require, for more details you can visit our website. For that I'll just go to the website page, and from here I'll simply copy this particular website URL. I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'll be pasting it over here. Okay. And last, body field 6 example Pabbly, that's the name of a company. And here in the template also, thank you, regards, and here your organization name is going to come. So we have got it here, Tax Law Bar, that was your firm name. So we have to simply type the same over here. Okay. And now let's click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the responses received. So let's move to WhatsApp and check whether the customer has received any message or not. And here we can see a new message. Hello Shikha, thank you for showing your interest in Tax Law Bar. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our tax consultancy. A link is given. For more details, you can visit our website. The website address is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, Tax Law Bar. So here, this was the first body field, first parameter which we have filled. This was the second one, Tax Law Bar. Third we have given was tax consultancy. Fourth we have given was the link. Fifth we have given was the website address. And this was the last one, that is Tax Law Bar once again. So here we can see that all the parameters, all the body fields are placed correctly and the correct message is generated. Now let's check this link also. And here we can see Tax Law Bar brochure.pdf. Okay, so the Tax Law Bar brochure is shared with the customer. So now here we can see that the correct message and correct link of the brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that we have to go to the Facebook lead ad forms once again and let us create a new entry on the name of some other customer. So let us give the name as Sanjay Sharma. Let's give the phone number over here. And let's give the email address as sanjaysharma11@gmail.com. And let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let's check the WhatsApp number of this particular customer, whether he has received any message or not. Go to WhatsApp. And here we can find new message. Hello Sanjay Sharma. Thank you for showing your interest in Tax Law Bar. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our tax consultancy. Okay, so the same message is sent to Sanjay also. Now let us recheck this link. And here we can find Tax Law Bar brochure. The tax consultancy brochure is shared with this particular customer also. So now let us move back to Pabbly Connect. I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically the tax consultancy brochure should be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ad form and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.